Morning, babe.
Morning.
What are we doing today?
We're making the bars to attach the engine cage to the roll cage.
So, we are going, started at the bottom here. We're going to go from here through that hole right there. And then on the inside, it's going to go and attach through that hole, kind of come out a little bit, and then connect on this side. Make it nice and stout because this is all welded to the frame. That'll make it good. And then top, where'd it go? There's a hole in there somewhere. And right through there. We're gonna go to the top. Come around. Get up there. Can't see what I'm doing. And then right through there to the back of this, right about there. And this, of course, is all welded to the frame. And we're pretty much going to do the same thing on the other side. Go here, go through there. All we need is a nice little 90 and attach right there. Bring down here. Go through here and then kind of hug this and then go down to there, right there. So make sure you gotta hug that because you gotta make sure the tire cleared right there. Right now, you can attach this one bent for the passenger side. For the top, you've already got it notched out. Now it's gonna grind her down.
Huh?
So now you're gonna grind her down.
Yeah, I got a notcher, so I'm only working the notcher. I can't notch it in the notcher, I gotta do it by hand.
Okay.
Grinder. I gotta cut it down, and then shape it.
Okay. We're ready. Oh, we're gonna do that, and then we will show you the results. So we have, that's for the bottom, down there. We've got the top one. There, let me show what you got going on in there. Yeah.
That's where it's going to meet, right there.
So this is this one. And then down from there, that's going to be attached to the frame.
That's right there.
Right there. That'll be good. And we've got this one somewhere up there. Right there. Going to be there. Just gonna weld that in. And the other one's gonna be attached right there. All nice flat. And then this up here. Go right under there, through there, nice and stout. That's gonna come out nice.
You give a little more bend on it.
Hi, baby. So, let's see what we've done today so far. Oh. So, we got those all done.
Right there.
Right.
Through.
There.
And if you can see down here, this one's on the frame and going through the cab.
That one is there. And then we got that one over there coming out of the cab.
So we got that one going through the cab up there, and then that one down there going through the cab. And they come in. One comes in right there. And the other one comes in right there. And that one comes in across to the bottom, to the top. And then the same on the top over there. Way over there. Okay. And right now, we're finishing this up by running one from here through there to here. Yeah!
Alrighty, so got the front ones all cut out a bit, ready to go in. He's tacking them in right now. Got this there.
Look good still?
Yep.
Yeah.
Going right there. Now, really good.
Look good?
Yep. Almost done. Alrighty. Alright, babe. The cage is done.
The engine cage is now connected to the cabin cage, the roll cage. We're done with that. Now it's just about putting on the shocks and doing the steering.
Nope. Got that all tied in there.
My best
Both
weld
sides.
ever. That actually came out good. Look at that. I can do a good weld once in a while.
That one came out good. And I think that came out good too. But got that entered all the way into there. You got all that locked in. All that's locked in to the inside cage. That far then.
20 inches of travel up front.
Mm-hmm.
20 inches. That's a lot.
That came out nice. And then inside, so this one is done in here, and then you got that right there, both sides. The other one's right there over there. Yeah. And you got down there, right there, goes into that hole over there. You did a good job, babe.
Yeah, this is coming out good.
Mm-hmm.
This has 4 points of contact from the cage just to the front cage. And we're gonna do the same here. This one has 2 up top. We're probably going to do 1, 2, probably 2 on bottom, 4 on this one too. And it's just going to be tied to the frame all the way down, all the way through it. Coming out.
Yep, did a good job.
Getting better on my welding.
Yes, you are.
And my shitty ones haven't broke yet, amazingly. But if they do, I'll just re-weld them.
Good job, babe.
Yeah.